Hi, I'm Marla Ellerman, publisher of Mobile Marketing Technology Magazine, and we are here today at the ETA show talking to Will, President and CEO of Roam. And he's going to tell us about his readers and his new product that he's launching here at the show today.
Great. Thank you, Marla. And so what we are doing right now is launching, as you may or may not know, Roam Data was the first company to come out with a secure mobile reader that attaches to a mobile phone's audio jack. And we were the innovators in this particular space, and now it's been a couple of years since we launched our first product. We're on our third generation product right now, which has the most compatibility of any device that's out there. But more interestingly, we are not just launching the MagStripe reader, we're also just now launching the reader with the first reader ever with near field communication. So it has the ability to have contactless on one side and then also swipe on the other side. So it's the first of its kind in the industry, and we're excited about enabling new types of transaction mechanisms in the physical payment environment. But beyond the physical payment environment, Roam Data creates and provides a mobile commerce platform that allows us to also provide mobile checkout that goes to the merchant's same merchant account. And we're also having a new solution coming out called Roam Commerce, which is a mobile commerce marketing engine that allows people to create their own mobile offers, mobile storefront, and be able to blast it out through a variety of channels, from Facebook, Twitter, to banner ads, email, SMS campaigns, even QR codes that they can print out. So very exciting stuff to be able to deliver mobile commerce out to smaller merchants that may not necessarily be able to afford it themselves. And also for people that want to advertise in the mobile environment, they can leverage this Roam Commerce solution to go in and build it themselves. Now, of course, a lot of that ties into a very easy checkout process through the mobile environment, because you may have a mobile advertisement, but if you don't have a really easy way to do mobile checkout, then you've lost a customer. That effort is wasted. So our mobile checkout is very convenient, very easy to integrate, and it comes with the whole Roam Commerce offering. And it also ties into a consumer mobile wallet that they control themselves and that they can use across any of these virtual types of mobile checkout, but also even in the physical environment, they can use their mobile wallet to pay for a checkout in a physical POS. So that's the direction that we're headed. We sell to a lot of the merchant service providers that are in front of merchants today so that they can provide something valuable to their merchant base. And so that's the exciting thing that we're announcing here at the ETA show.
I have a quick question. One thing about your adapters that I think are different than everybody else's is that yours is kind of interoperable with every single processor out there. Is that correct?
So we have a gateway that allows us to tie into vast majority of the payment processors here in the United States, and we're starting to expand international as well. So for example, anywhere from Global Payments to TSYS to First Data to Chase Payment Tech to Heartland, MES, and et cetera, et cetera. So with that capability, anybody who's got merchants on those platforms, they can immediately utilize our solution, plug in our reader, which is encrypted at the reader itself before it gets to the phone. And then we take that encryption, we decrypt it on the payment server, and then we send it off to their payment processor so that they can be up and running very efficiently and very quickly.
Right. So another question is the security question. Everybody has a big question with security. So the encryption is at the device and also at the gateway.
Right.
And do you offer your service as a service bureau, or is it software that they have to purchase, or is it just as a monthly service charge?
That's a great question. So what we provide is, sometimes you've heard of SaaS, software as a service. What we provide is what's called PaaS, platform as a service. So the platform includes the hardware itself, the software that's on the phone, the communications and decryption services on the server, the ability to route those transactions back to their processor, the reporting, the boarding capabilities, the email receipts. So all of this is part of a service that we provide. And this service is something that we offer to merchant service providers, who then offers it to the merchants. And the way that we have a very flexible way of working with our partners. And it could be some kind of a rev share model. Sometimes they give away the readers after they buy it from us. And sometimes they rather have a flat fee. So we work with a variety of models. It really depends on the merchant service provider's own business model. So we want to cater to what they need.
Great, great. And so you basically use the ISO channel to get your product out to the market.
We use the ISO channel. We use the folks that are merchant service providers themselves, the processors. Sometimes they want to do the distribution, or sometimes it's a PSP or a payment service provider that want to do the distribution. And the good thing about what we do is we can white label the products for them, put it in their color, their brands, and we can do it all in a matter of within 45 days. They could go from zero to a fully branded solution that they can call their own. So if you take a look at these readers right here, you'll see that we have a number of our partners that we can provide, from Sage to Payment Jack to Pay Anywhere, and so on and so forth. Swift Pay. So if you think about people that want to get started and they want to get started quickly, there is no faster and better way to get started than creating a white label solution, within 45 days from start.
That's great. Do you have an accounting backend, any type of a QuickBook application, or any type of an accounting service that the merchants can use with the mobile payment swipe application?
That's a great question. We partner with folks that actually offer that kind of solution. So for example, Sage Payment Systems have Peachtree, and they have a number of accounting packages that is now integrated with this payment application. So Sage is one of our close partners, and they're the ones who are out there offering a joint package that is branded Sage, and everything looks and feels like Sage, but we're helping them get those transactions not only processed, but recorded into the accounting packages that they offer their customers as a total solution. So those are the exciting things that are out there. And we're looking at offering additional value-added services from other partners as well through the gateway, such that the merchants can get more.
Well, that's great. Is that the only thing that you'd like to tell us? Is there anything else you'd like to add?
We have some exciting products that are coming out the rest of this year. And we recently got a major investment from Ingenico, who's a big shareholder of ours, and with that partnership and that capital infusion, it allows us to further innovate and build new products. So for example, we have a chip reader EMV product that's coming out later this year. I just talked about the Roam Commerce solution that we'll be able to bundle for our merchant service provider partners to sell. We have a Roam Wallet, or a mobile wallet solution, that they can leverage and put forth into the marketplace and call their own, a mobile checkout solution. So there's a number of things on our roadmap that's coming, and we're very excited about it.
Well, stay tuned, keep watching, and you can hear about all the exciting products that Roam has to offer in the fall at the Mobile Payment Show. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.